Have you ever tried strange food from around the world? Ever sunk your teeth into a dish so peculiar it made your taste buds dance in confusion and delight? Today, embark on a culinary journey like no other, sampling the most unique, strange, and downright bizarre foods from every corner of the globe. First stop, Iceland. In this land of ice and fire, the locals enjoy a dish known as hakkarl. This is fermented shark, cured with a particular fermentation process, then hung to dry for several months. It's said to have a strong ammonia-rich smell and fishy flavor, a true test for the adventurous palate. Next, we venture to the Philippines. There, a dish called balut awaits. This is a developing bird embryo, usually a duck, that is boiled and eaten from the shell. It's a common street food and is said to taste like a hard-boiled egg, but with a little extra crunch. Let's not forget about the adventurous food scene in Japan. Here one can find basashi, raw horse meat often served as sashimi. This dish is usually served cold, sometimes even frozen, and is enjoyed with soy sauce and ginger. And who could leave out Australia? In this land down under, a popular snack is the witchetty grub. This large, white, wood-eating larvae of several moths is a staple in the diet of Aboriginal Australians. It's said to taste like almonds when cooked and is full of protein. Now let's travel to Mexico. There, a popular snack is the escamoles, also known as insect caviar. These are the edible larvae and pupae of ants, harvested from the roots of the agave plant. They have a cottage, cheese-like consistency and are said to taste nutty and buttery. Our last stop is Sardinia, Italy, where we find casu marzu. This is a traditional sheep milk cheese notable for containing live insect larvae. The cheese has a soft texture and is said to leave an aftertaste that lasts for hours. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of some of the most unusual foods the world has to offer. From fermented shark in Iceland, embryonic duck eggs in the Philippines, raw horse meat in Japan, moth larvae in Australia, ant larvae in Mexico, to maggot-infested cheese in Italy, the world is truly a banquet of bizarre delights. Whether these foods leave you intrigued or make your stomach churn, there's no denying the incredible diversity of global cuisine. Each dish, no matter how strange it seems, tells a story about its place of origin, the people who live there, and the traditions they hold dear. Food, in all its strange and wonderful forms, has the power to unite us, to surprise us, and to make us see the world in a whole new way. So, be brave, be adventurous, and who knows, you might just find your new favorite dish in the most unexpected of places.